Within our community and communities around the country, the phrase no-kill is an increasingly popular buzzword used to describe animal shelters. The phrase has varying definitions and is frequently misinterpreted as referring to a shelter that never euthanizes animals. The Humane Society of Harrisburg area has chosen instead to not hide behind the vague and sometimes misleading no-kill moniker. Instead, HSHA is very clear about exactly what our policy is. We do not euthanize adoptable animals due to lack of space or length of stay. Unlike some shelters that turn away on adoptable animals, HSHA accepts a wide range of animals regardless of breed, temperament, or medical condition. Moreover, HSHA reserves euthanasia for those animals that are medically or behaviorally unsound and are not able to be adopted. HSHA is committed to continue keeping adoptable animals at our shelter until they find a forever home. However, as an organization that relies solely on donations to accomplish our mission, we also need the commitment of the community. By supporting HSHA today, the community is helping the many homeless animals of tomorrow.
The opinions expressed in this editorial do not necessarily reflect those of ABC 27, its employees, or management. For more